Hey there, Windows 10 users. Are you tired of Microsoft Edge hijacking all your PDFs? Well, fret not, because today, I'm going to show you how to set Adobe Reader as your default PDF viewer in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open up the Windows settings. Now that we're in the settings, click on the Apps option. Next, in the Apps settings window, find and click on Default Apps from the left-hand pane. Now, in the right-hand side of the window, scroll down until you see the link that says Choose Default Apps by File Type. Click on that link. A list of file types will appear. Scroll through until you find PDF in the list. Once you've located it, it's time to make the switch. Currently, it's probably set to open with Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge in the list, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, simply select Adobe Reader from the list of available options. And just like that, Adobe Reader is now your default PDF viewer. Close out of the settings window, and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful for you in setting up Adobe Reader as your default PDF viewer. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips.